Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will work on 16-inch canvas and my split cup. It's a modular split cup. I will use 3 chambers again, but you can use more or less, whatever you want. You can, adjust it. That's why it's adjustable. Sorry. This time I decided that I will pour some blues in the middle chamber and some greens in the both of the outsides. I did add a little bit of pearl white in between and some 24K gold in greens. And the blues are phthalo blue, cyan blue, it's cobalt metallic blue, it's ultramarine blue, it's grayish blue, and for greens are olive green light, olive green deep, granite, these little piggy pigments, and 24K gold. I had some troubles to till this like I wanted, so I will still need some practice to tilt out this exactly the way that I want it to be. As much as you can do this with fluid art. I don't know which one make that green. Maybe this pearl white, now that I'm watching because I'm doing voiceover, was not the best idea to put it next to the green, the light green, because it kind of, I don't know, you will see, it was weird why I got this just one shade of green, maybe even this gold. Oh, maybe this titanium buff here with gold was not the best idea now that I watch this. And then pregnant, I don't know, just something happened that was not exactly the way that I want it to be, so you will see what I'm talking about. But I really like the final result, and I like the idea how this looks with the same colors in outside chambers. So I will now let you listen to some music and come back with you with the dried results. So here she is dry. I love it. I'm just I tilted a little too much off for my taste. Here I would love to keep a little more of that, but I really love the sky part kind of here. There is a little too much of this green for my taste. I love those kind of stones looking parts. Reaction from pearl white, you know, that gives this kind of a path. Sorry. Sorry. I intentionally tilt it a little more to one side, that it's not so centered, but still maybe I would love to have a little more of that bottom part that I tilted off. So yeah. So I like it, so I tell so yeah. I like it a lot, but still have some challenges to achieve completely thing that I kind of looking for. So I will definitely play with this a little more. Maybe next time I would do racking a little differently, but after all, I'm very, very happy with this painting. It's beautiful. So yeah, thanks for being here. Tell me what you think about it, and see you again on the next one. Bye.